Hi, I am Mohammad Asif and I will quickly show you the 5 best Fiverr gigs in this video that require no skills or experience. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel to support the work. So let's start exploring the gigs. Number 1. Subscribe button. YouTube subscribe button design and animation has a high demand on Fiverr and has comparatively shallow competition. It can be your free money making gig. There are tons of free subscribe button templates on the internet that you can provide as a service to your clients by changing the logo and channel name each time. You can also download the free templates from the mixkit.co website. Number 2. Motivational quotes. People do need motivational quotes designed for their social media profiles. There are only 708 services on motivational quotes keyword, and the demand is pretty high. That means you can easily rank and start providing motivational quote services on Fiverr. There are hundreds of websites where you can find free millions of quotes. Just discover the code, copy it and paste it into the canva.com course design template. Number 3. Proofreading. Proofreading is the reading of a document to correct grammatical and language mistakes. There are more than 12,000 services on proofreading on Fiverr. Because proofreading is a highly usable service, you can choose long tail keyword to rank your service on Fiverr related to proofreading. All you need is to paste the document text on the grammarly.com website and correct the highlighted mistakes. Number 4. Social posts. In social post services, you have to design posts for social media such as Facebook posts, Instagram posts, and so on. There are thousands of orders on Fiverr for social post design work. All you need is to go to the canva.com website and search for any social post, such as a Facebook post. Choose a template and make changes in the template according to the client's requirements. Number 5. Transcription. In transcription services, you will need to write the words spoken in the audio or video file. That's all. Freelancers are charging $5 to $30 for 10 to 20 minutes of transcription. Transcription does not need any specific skills. You have to listen to the audio and write whatever the person is speaking. That's all for this video. Pause the video and start building the gigs now to try your luck. It is the first video of Fiverr gig ideas. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and opt for notifications because I will share more such gig ideas in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the coming videos.